I'm good.
Our God time. Alright, do I know you, sir?
No, sir.
When I met you, when did I meet you?
Oh, 3 to 4 days in Spanish Town.
Okay, very much. I get a word, don't I get a word, didn't I get a word?
Yes, sir.
And this comes to be here too, amen?
Yes, sir.
Alright, when I look at you, I'm seeing firstly that you're a man that tries so much in life. But if you do fail, will you agree?
Yes, sir.
In fact, you have been here in a rolling struggle for the last 5 years. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Stagnant. In fact, the man will go get up.
Yes,
Because but everything you do, something disappoints you. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you feel like giving up. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Because everything you do, something keep beating you up. Amen?
Amen. Yes, sir.
But God said that you are a man of God. Amen?
Amen.
I didn't you shall see things are working in your life. Have you seen it?
I receive it.
I'm still here in high school though. In high school, say high school.
High school.
In high school, your link head is on, but company, you agree?
Yes, sir.
And lost focus, amen?
Yes, sir.
Go grade 9, you agree?
Yes, sir.
And that was the end of your education, amen?
Yes, sir.
If now you have regrets, you agree?
Yes.
That's all?
Yes, sir.